Hi everyone, this is Jamie with the BIM department. Today we're going to be talking about how to mass upgrade Revit families from one Revit release to another one. The first thing we want to do is find our families inside the B drive. So for this example, I've selected the case good folder. As you can see here, I've created two folders, one 2018 and one that's 2019. These families are 2018 and I'm upgrading them towards 19. So I'm going to copy them out of the B drive into my 2018 folder. I'm going to close my original B drive folder and I'm going to set this aside for now. The next thing I want to do is I want to open a copy of Revit 2019 since that's my target year. So now that my Revit 2019 is open, I'm going to go over to the Manage tab and I'm going to start my Dynamo. I normally like to click the 2.0 version, so we'll let that open. Now that our Dynamo window is open, the first thing we want to do is open the correct script. A Dynamo script essentially is a collection of commands that performs a specific action. In this case, our Dynamo scripts are kept in the B drive in the following directory. I'm going to select Family Upgrade 2. Let's maximize our window. So as you can see here, all these boxes are called nodes, and they're essentially different bits of command. Sometimes when you open a Dynamo script, some of these nodes could have errors, and if they have an error, they'll be orange and it'll say error next to the box. If this is the case, it means that you're probably missing some of the required plugins. So, if you're following along with your copy of Dynamo, this is what I want you to do. Look over to the left side of your screen. Here, underneath add-ons, you're going to see several add-ons that I've downloaded into my Dynamo. Please make sure that you have all of these add-ons loaded in. If you don't, you might get errors in your nodes. And if you get errors, you may not be able to complete the process. So, if you are missing a Dynamo plugin, this is how you make sure that you have one. You go up to Packages, search for Packages, and here in the search bar, you can type in any one of these names. Once you do, and I'll try this with you guys, you'll see them come up in the results. In this case, there are several copies of Clockwork. You want the most recent one. So select it, and then click Install Latest Version. Once you've done that for all the plugins, you can close them, save Dynamo, and make sure that all these nodes are free of any errors. Alright, so once we have a Dynamo script that looks good and there's no errors in any of the nodes, the first thing we want to do to start upgrading our families is go to the directory path and click on Browse. I'm going to go to my 2018 folder where I saved those families. I'm going to press the folder and click OK. So that's going to tell Dynamo that that's the folder from where I want to upgrade. If the folder had any subfolders that I also wanted to upgrade, I would turn this function into true. See how this true-false connects to the include subfolders function? In this case, we don't have any subfolders, so I'm going to leave it as false. Everything else is looking good. So the last thing I'm going to do is just hit run, and that's going to start upgrading these families from 2018 to 2019. That window that you saw flash up here, that's normal, that means that it's working. Alright, so once Dynamo has finished upgrading all the families, you can open your 2018 folder, and you can see here, your families have now been upgraded. The ones that end in .001 or .002, those are now the old 18 copies. So you can select the ones that have a clean suffix, copy these, and paste them into your 2019 folder. So now you've upgraded your entire casework folder. And the reason we do this on a folder that's not on the B drive is so that we don't accidentally mess anything up. But it's a very simple process, it's very quick, and it really helps when you're trying to upgrade hundreds of families. So I hope this comes in handy. Thanks for watching.